Hi friends, welcome to Khan's Art. I hope you all are fine. Today I will tell you how to earn money online from your artwork easily just doing one step daily, so let's get started. First go Socialartprize website. Make your account, use reference ID as Khan's Art and then sign up. Now you can see participator artwork. Vote daily 5 times for your favorites. Comment and invite friends to earn tokens, which can be used to earn free art supplies. For the competition itself, there are 6 winners in total. The top 3 community voted artworks, and the best 3 chosen by judges. So I hope this video helped you find a way making money online from your artwork. Thank you for watching my video, have a nice day. Bye.